Q&A video. First question is asked by Korafil. What is my favorite book from the library? Probably Wimpy Kid. My phobia is maths. My dream destination is probably South Korea. My dream job is to be a basketball player. My favorite aesthetic things is cute zippers. Do you have any collections except books? No. I do have, but that is of keychains. I do hate maths. Next question is asked by Moon Xney. My birthday is on 12th January. I started my YouTube journey on 12th March 2023. I'm afraid of maths and exams. My favorite season of all time is summer and winter. My favorite color is black. My ultimate bias is Jenny and Rose. Next question is by Kim Jisoo. My favorite song is Shape of You. My favorite YouTuber is probably RubyJane.mp4. My bias in Blackpink is Jenny and Rose. Next question asked by Jenny XZ. My bias in Blackpink is Jenny and Rose. I started being a Pink in 2017. I do read books in my free time. My birthday is on 12th Jan. What song would you pick? Solo or Dream? Solo. Next question asked by Swara. What's my real name? Sanvi. Which bestie do you like the most? RubyJane.mp. My favorite food is donuts. My favorite color is black. My favorite drink is water. My favorite pop song is Shape of You. And my favorite K-pop song is Lucky Girl Syndrome. Favorite music artist is Blackpink and Les Seraphim. My hobby is to read books and sometimes make bracelets. Next question asked by Jen M. If you could describe yourself with 3 words, what are they? Calm, kind and cool. What kind of things really make you laugh? Probably jokes. My favorite thing about myself is I am kind and I help everyone. My green flag is I help everyone and that's it. I do not have any red flags. Next question asked by Sanvi1201. My inspiration is Gen Aesthetics and RubyJane.mp4. My favorite Roblox game is Tower of Hell. Next question asked by RubyJane.mp4. My K-pop is Jenny and Rose. My hobby is to read a book and make bracelets. My current favorite song is Shape of You and Lucky Girl Syndrome. My closest friends in YT RubyJane.mp4. Next question asked by Lovely Ashima. I am currently 12 years old. I live in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. My favorite member in BTS is V. My birthday month is January. That's it.